Star Wars Arcade. Star Wars Arcade. Star Wars Episode Roman II Attack of the Clones. Genres: video game, platform game, action game, adventure. Secret weapons of the Luftwaffe. Secret weapons of the Luftwaffe. Star Wars: The Empire Strikes Back. Genres: video game, platform game, action game. RTX Red Rock. Strike Fleet. Genres: video game, simulation video game, war game, strategy video game, wargaming. Star Wars Trilogy Arcade. Star Wars Trilogy Arcade. Star Wars: The Best of PC. Battlehawks 1942. Genres: video game, action game, simulation video game. Star Wars Force Commander. Genres: video game, real-time tactics, real-time strategy, strategy video game. Big Sky Trooper. Genres: video game, action game, adventure. Indiana Jones' Greatest Adventures. Genres: video game, platform game, action game, adventure. Zach McKracken and the Alien Mindbenders. Genres: video game, adventure, graphic adventure game. Ballblazer. Genres: video game, shoot 'em up, action game, sports game, racing video game. Star Wars Jedi Knight, Dark Forces Roman II. Genres: video game, shooter game, action game, first-person shooter. Star Wars Shadows of the Empire. Genres: video game, shooter game, action game, adventure. Metal Warriors. Genres: video game, platform game, action game. Maniac Mansion. Genres: video game, horror, adventure, graphic adventure game, science fiction. More Maniac Mansion 237 of 271. The most compelling video game storylines ever 119 of 143. The greatest classic video game theme songs ever 159 of 178. The best Nintendo games, ranked. Gladius. Genres: video game, tactical role-playing game, role-playing video game, strategy video game. More Gladius 722 of 2039. Sony PlayStation 2 games. List of PS2 console games 922 of 1371. The 100 plus best video games of all time. Ranked by fans 100 of 100. The best PlayStation 2 RPG of all time. Sam and Max Hit the Road. Genres: video game, adventure, graphic adventure game. The Dig. The Dig. Herc's Adventures. Genres: video game, action adventure game, adventure. Loom. Genres: video game, adventure, fantasy. The Secret of Monkey Island Special Edition. Ghoul Patrol. Genres: video game, shooter game, horror, shoot 'em up, action game, adventure. The Eidolon. The Eidolon. Star Wars Rogue Squadron Roman II Rogue Leader. Star Wars Rogue Squadron Roman II Rogue Leader. Labyrinth, the computer game. Labyrinth, the computer game. Star Wars Jedi Knight, Mysteries of the Sith. Super Star Wars, The Empire Strikes Back. Lego Indiana Jones, The Original Adventures. Star Wars Episode I, Jedi Power Battles. Star Wars Episode I, Jedi Power Battles. Star Wars Bounty Hunter. Genres: video game, platform game, action game. Indiana Jones and the Infernal Machine. Genres: video game, action adventure game. Star Wars: The Force Unleashed Roman II. Sam and Max Freelance Police. Grim Fandango. Star Wars Rebel Assault. Star Wars Rebel Assault. The Curse of Monkey Island. The Curse of Monkey Island. Super Star Wars. Genres: video game, shooter game, shoot 'em up, platform game, action game, adventure. Day of the Tentacle. Day of the Tentacle. Outlaws. Genres: video game, western, shooter game, action game, first-person shooter. Monkey Island 2. LeChuck's Revenge. Zombies Ate My Neighbors. Genres: video game, horror, shoot 'em up, zombie film, survival horror, action game. The Secret of Monkey Island. The Secret of Monkey Island. Star Wars Republic Commando. Star Wars Republic Commando. Star Wars Dark Forces. Full Throttle.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.